you're new to DJI or you've been around with DJI and you like to help us all out, or you need help on how to stream to YouTube being mobile, we're going to join the network with the Action 3, allow the camera to connect, and we're going to set up to YouTube and show you how. You're going to go to the live stream. You're going to need to have X amount of subscribers in order to stream to YouTube. You're going to choose YouTube and hit the Start Live Stream. The camera says prepare to live stream. It's going to connect to my hotspot. I'm going to have to describe the live stream. I'm going to simply name it Test 1. You have the choice of making it for kids or not, public, 1080p, 3 to 6 megabits, and nowhere in here can you save a copy of recording like we used to be able to on the Osmo Action. But you have the option to hit the record button to record your live stream and live stream at the same time. You're going to have to select your Wi-Fi if it's a router or hotspot. Once you're signed in to your router or hotspot, you are not yet ready to stream. There are some other steps you're going to need to take. You're going to have to hit Start Live Stream. You're going to get this window. You are not streaming at this moment, and this is something that is not as easy as a GoPro. You cannot view your stream and get out of this window, but you could shut the window down and you're able to stream. You could take these two devices with you to stream. But now we're going to have to go over to the computer side. On the computer side, you're going to hit the plus, go live. You're going to look for test number 1, or simply wait for the command of go live. Video known as test 1. And as you're doing your test now, you're able to take your camera, your phone, and go anywhere you want and stream. You are now officially streaming with your DJI Action 3 and YouTube. When you're all done, you simply shut the camera down by hitting over here or continuing your stream. If you hit over here, you're able to record your live stream at what resolution. You could tap onto the 1x and you could zoom in up to 3 times, 4 times, and zoom out. What you can also do is tap on the screen. You used to be able to get in here and change the field of view. You're going to have to stop the recording. Hit on the dashes. Put on Pro. Take the field of view. Change it to ultra wide, wide, and D-warp. And confirm. If you turn off Pro, you're still able to get into the cameras wide and ultra wide. So if you have Pro on, are you actually on 10-bit color enhancement and so forth? That is the question everybody would like to know. So that is how you would stream with your DJI Action 3. I hope this is something that you could learn with your camera. I hope you enjoy streaming with your Action 3. Not as easy as a GoPro. When all done and you finish streaming, you just click on it. Your camera's going to reset up and start all over again for the next stream available. With Facebook, you'll probably do the same thing or something similar. I hope this was a lesson that's very valuable to learn. Enjoy your Action 3.